From version 21, the initial view orientation in which primer and D3 plot opens can be set. The starting view in which the models open in primer or D3 plot can now be controlled using a preference. For example, D3 plot opens in the XY view orientation by default. If you want D3 plot to be opened in a different view like ISO, this can be changed by setting the preference initial view orientation to ISO. For this, go to Options, Edit Preferences, and in the search type Initial View and select the one under D3 plot. Now we can turn on this preference and choose ISO. Notice that this preference can only be set to these 8 predefined view orientations. Now save this preference. Let us now reopen the same model and see the view. As you can see, D3 plot has now opened in the ISO view. You can set this preference specifically for primer or D3 plot, or globally for both by choosing the appropriate prefix for the preference. In case when both Oasys and the individual program preferences are set, the individual program preferences takes precedence. Thank you.